Welcome to Crystal's Bread. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nut seed granola. This recipe is very rich with all kinds of seeds and nuts of your choice, and you can add some dry fruits, cranberries, cherries, currants, raisins, your favorite dried fruit you can add. The trick with this granola is cook it in low temperature, 250 degrees for an hour and a half, and every 20 minutes stir up, and then that way it will cook evenly. And after you finish baking in the oven, when it comes out from oven hot, you add dry fruits and mix it well and let it cool down. So I have all the ingredients measured up. I have rolled oats. The best result will be you use very good old-fashioned rolled oats. Will give you the best result. And the recipe also calls for wheat germ, wheat bran, and oat bran are those ingredients mixed with oat will give you the very good flavor. You can use a local honey. I have honey that was in my home. It looks very dark. And here's a sunflower oil, or any cold pressed oil is good. So mix all the dry ingredients first, and then all the wet ingredients, then mix them together. And I have maple syrup here, and then honey and oil all goes in here, and plus almond extract and vanilla. So let's mix them up. The one trick is if you have oil and honey calls for your recipe, it's better to put oil and then put honey on the container you put oil, so the honey will come out easily. So this is the easy way to measure the honey after oil, and it comes out just like all of them. Now all the dry ingredients are mixed with the wet ingredients, and you can see everything is moist now. So you cover the baking sheet with the foil, and then you're gonna put the granola. It's 250 degrees. I'm gonna cook hour and a half. Every 20 minutes I'm gonna toss and turn it. I have cranberries and raisins I'm gonna mix with. You could just any dry fruits. Now you learn how to make granola. You can enjoy with yogurt and milk or just as a snack. Enjoy your granola!